video hianin music ang po hi ka try ka try na sal to ka ka video po hi chen ka chanin in long muzing mai thaya voi level tun hi voi li ka upload chat na tur ani to a chan chu music enge mo he ka edit na music copyright law anti ang chi anga po kha ka da po khanin copyright kha zela kan earn thei lo ani chumo copyright ka chan chu wang chanin zia lo video siam ha man kha lo lut tu ka chu wang chanin ti han karon siam chale ringo ta karon voice over ta ringo ta music lo le lut tu ka katia alang to pa en ka chu nang mani tan en anin ka ringa chu wang chanin tiang karon upload chale ringo ta bai thak don kop me he copyright zela ti wak ni na ka shelawa ti han karon voice over ta ringo ta chen kata phe chanin music engma lo khan a do na in lo she tham sham do na do na video hi chu next a chuanin sound inge keima chung ang deu mo khatyang deu tur khan karon ram man to do na ni chumo le pe ka chan tun chu mi chu lo she tham pot ula tian kana dor ka bang cha dor ka ban yan tian ingeng mo dino form in thang na te ingeng mo he ti pa nim bal ma ka tia ti han ka han ti fai thwa ka ani khati song kha anya karon voice over te zong ka chu lo she tham ula han soi tor wa ka shelawa ti hanin ang hianin min lo en sak very mai ula Dikha Korean Tony to mums.
Dissociative amnesia. You aren't able to recall important personal details, including your age, name, or occupation. You may have seen this type of amnesia in dramas and movies before.
Yes, I have.
What?
But in real life, who would have thought? I can't believe I really don't recall anything.
I wouldn't say it's as common as you see in dramas.
What do they normally do in dramas then?
Usually as soon as they wake up, they ask the person next to them with an innocent and blank expression, "Who are you?" Something like that.
So where is this person to whom I'm supposed to ask, "Who are you?" with an innocent expression?
Unfortunately for you, there's nobody.
There's nobody?
You were admitted 2 weeks ago.
Oh, you're so lucky. He's totally my type.
I knew it. There's no way that I don't have a boyfriend with this face. I can finally learn about myself. It's okay now. Everything's gonna be all right.
Huh? I hear someone coming.
Oh, hang on. How could this possibly prove that we're a couple? Like, this could be two tourists taking a picture together after a serendipitous encounter. Got any other pictures? See? See? How did that work? We've been dating for 2 years.
I lost my phone while I was running around like crazy looking for you for the past 3 weeks. All our pictures are on that phone.
And you expect me to believe you?
It would have been good if you at least had your phone. But you already know that they didn't find anything. I don't know what kind of accident you got into. You said you were going to meet a friend, but at least for now, it's good to know that you are okay.
So, do you usually not take a shower?
Well,
Let me talk to you privately real quick.
Oh, sure.
You should go wash your face or something. How can you just believe that man saying he's my boyfriend? You think I should follow that guy?
We also checked with the police and made sure the person he was looking for matched your description to a T, like perfectly. He even...
He's right. It's a triangle and one of them is a different color. Hold on. So all that stuff stuff that man said is actually true? Okay, I'll go with him for now. Who knows? Maybe I'll remember something if I see our house. Where in the world is that?
My hometown.
Hello.
To bury a prosecutor. But because it's a prosecutor we're talking about, there's no room for anything to go wrong. That's why I have to leave it to someone I can trust. I think of it as the final gift for your boss.